Matter can exist in three basic forms, which are called solids, liquids, and gases. These are called states of matter. Characteristics that determine states of matter are the rearrangement of the particles, the energy of the particles, and the distance between particles. Looking at solids, particles of solids are tightly packed and vibrate about a fixed position. Solids have a defined shape and a defined volume. When heat is added to a solid, the state of matter goes from a solid to a liquid. When matter is at a liquid state, particles are still tightly packed, but far enough apart to slide over one another. Liquids have an indefinite shape and a definite volume. When heat is applied to a liquid goes from a liquid to a gas. Once matter has reached a gas state, particles are very far apart and move freely. Gases have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume, meaning they can be compressed. Let's sum up states of matter with this slide, starting with gases. The particles are in total disorder. There is a lot of empty space between particles. Particles have complete freedom of motion, and particles are far apart. Gases go from gases to liquids by cooling and/or an increase in pressure. Looking at the characteristics of liquids, you can see that there's still some disorder. Particles or clusters of particles are free to move or slide past each other. Particles are still together. Liquids go to a solid state by cooling, and going the other way, liquids go to a gaseous state by adding heat and/or reducing pressure. Solids have particles with a more ordered arrangement. Particles are closer together than they are with liquids, and particles are in a fixed position and cannot move freely past each other. A solid reaches a liquid state by adding heat.